Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what happens is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also right underneath there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content and that I make so much of it, I appreciate so much that when you arrive, please hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this bag I have been waiting all month for. As you know on my channel, I got very lucky. I got a lot of my bags way early in the month that I had the opportunity to share everything with you. But I also get IPSY through a PR program that we usually get at the beginning of the month. And sometimes I'm lucky that we get it early enough that we get to see some of the sneak peeks prior to us having to make our choices. As you know on my channel, even though I get PR, I still choose to get everything from IPSY, from their Glam bag to their Plus to their X, as well as the sales that they always have going on. So I really do enjoy IPSY, and it is something that I love to be able to share with you guys. So that this bag this month had something special in it that I wanted to be able to share with you guys. It's something that I picked up in the add-on sale that I saw is still available in the flash sale. So I'm going to be doing a separate video on it, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek in this video because it was in this bag, but it's too much to do all in one video. So I'm going to try to get it filmed also today. So I will post that tomorrow. So make sure that you're subscribed so I can go through everything with you guys. So this is the bag I've been waiting for the most this month, and this is the bag that arrived literally at the end of February, but it is still in February. And really what I wanted to share with you in this bag was the add-on package, and that is because it's still available, and it's something really special about it, which I'm going to share with you about in this video, but I'm going to pull it apart and show it to you in the video tomorrow. So this is the card that came in this month. This is the huge bag that we received that had everything in it. When you do add-ons, at least with mine, I did not get charged any extra handling fees. I just got charged the amount for the bag that I purchased for the add-ons, and then plus the tax, and that was it. With IPSY, if you're not familiar, this is where it all starts, and this is where I always tell you it's the best way to start to see two things. One, if you enjoy getting bags every single month, to see if a subscription is what is meant for you to do. But what's great with the best way about trying this is with IPSY, no matter what, with their $13 bag, you always get a bag, and then they promise you 5 deluxe sample sizes. A lot of times within those 5, they're not always just sample sizes. Sometimes we get lucky and we get a full size in there, which you will see. You also get one choice item, which is unbelievable that they do that even on the $13 bag. But what I love the best about getting into, they consider this the membership. So to me, the subscription is like a membership. On top of the bonus of the $13 where you get a bag, plus a choice, plus 5 deluxe samples, you also then have everything else available to you. The add-ons, the flash sales, the pop-up sales, every sale that IPSY does, the shopper, all those things are available to us simply by getting in, and you get in with this bag. And that's why I always say, if you don't know where to start or which bag or which subscription, to me, this is the best value with the most available to you through this subscription is all those other bonuses that come with it. So this is the cutest bag this month, and every month the bag changes. It has that gorgeous little heart decal. When you open it up, it is not lined inside. It looks like this, and the only area where it says IPSY this month is on one side of this little heart. I think this is the cutest bag. I think they knocked it out of the park for February. Inside, normally they have the information in reference to the items that are in here, but sometimes they don't. And that's why I always sit down with my notes so that I'm prepared, be it if the notes are in here or not, so that we can have more information about the products that I'm going to show you, because that's what I look for. I was looking for more informative videos, and that's what I do on my channel. So what I open this up, and what's important in this card is why I did this add-on. when is the Glam X month, which this is what this month is, and you saw the Glam X. If you haven't, it was phenomenal. And you should check out all my videos, because this month I really got very lucky in all of my bags. And what ended up happening was IPSY, as well as other companies in retail like ULTA and all those others, were doing something special for the month of February, which is Black History Month. And what they were doing was something that they were giving 100% of the profits if you bought certain kits. And one of the kits that I got came in this bag, and it was $25 for this whole kit. Because I bought in the add-ons, I didn't pay any additional fees. So because I didn't get my Glam Bag Plus, I treated myself this month to this bag. And this bag is the cutest thing ever. It has the hearts, it's very unique, and it's only available in these kits. And I think there's two. There's one that's the makeup one, which is what I got, and I think there's one that's hair care. But what's important about this bag, and I share all of this in the video that I'm gonna be doing later today, that is going to be hopefully posted tomorrow, so I will leave that in there. But what I want to make sure that you guys know is that this is still going to be available in the flash sale that's going on right now, and it's supporting the Black entrepreneurs this month. It's in honor of the Black History Month that IPSY is proud to stand with Make It Black, which is donating 100% of the net proceeds from their I Am, which is what this is, bundles, to the Pull Up for Change Small Business Impact Fund. This fund provides startup grants to Black businesses in an effort to create more capital opportunities for Black founders. It's going to feature brands like Morphe, Mented, Uma, Briagio. They're all going to be limited edition bundles that are available to shop. And then, like I said, some of these are still available in the flash sale. So keep your eyes open. Make sure to watch the video tomorrow, because I didn't open this up. I just took a picture for it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please follow me there. It's free also. And my Instagram name is Truance with the number 2. All right. Okay. Now let's go what's inside this fantastic bundle. So my choice that I did this month, I didn't expect it to be this large. It is this item here, and it is from Complex Culture. It is a double dimension dual-ended eyeliner pencil in matte deep plum and metallic pearl. This alone was my choice, and it was an $18 value in a $13 bag. Like I said, this is, like, to me, a no-brainer if you want to get into subscription boxes. This is the gorgeous pencil that's inside here. As you can see, it is full size. It is an eyeliner. They're saying the pencil eyeliner duo has a super creamy texture that glides on effortlessly, so you don't have to deal with any annoying skipping, streaking, or tugging. It says line and define your lids, your lash line, and your waterline to create an array of stunning looks. This is vegan and cruelty-free and tested by dermatologists for safety. This collab between beauty pros and community of women aims to simplify our routines so we will feel twice as confident in half the time. That is the notes about the brand Complex Culture. Complex Culture is also an IPSY brand that is made as a separate company within a separate company that IPSY owns. So they do all the manufacturing, and they have come up, they started with this Complex Culture, which started with their brushes, which to me knocked it out of the park. And everything else that I have tried from this brand has been so high end, from their packaging to their formulas. I tell everyone, try Complex Culture. Then they came out with Item Beauty, which is now available in Sephora, as well as Translucent Beauty. So they are really doing a fantastic job with their sister company that is owned by IPSY. I think it's Made It Collective. I've shared with you in the past about that company. So that is what this is here. And those are the two colors from here. Beautiful, stunning, $18 in a $13 bag. Absolutely home run. The next one is a brand that I have been telling you guys about since I found these in the add-on section. This is a $20 lipstick that a lot of times you will see in the $3 add-on section. It's called From Context Skin is the brand. I'm leaving this one in its packaging because it is a shade that I already own, because every time I saw one, I picked it up. So I took this one out of my stash, and this one is this is a matte lipstick in Hide Your Heart. This is a $20 value on its own. Again, we're still talking about the $13 bag. This is a lipstick bullet. This is a soft matte lipstick that helps nourish, comfort, and hydrate your lips while delivering long-lasting, non-drying color. I'm so excited that this arrived. It's so late in the day on a Saturday. I thought my postman wasn't even going to show up. So the fact that I have everything here to share with you guys this weekend, I'm so over the moon. So it says this is a long-lasting, non-drying color. It says swipe it on your bare lips or wear it over your favorite lip pencil. It's vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, this is Clean Beauty. Then you will love Context Skin and their line of skincare products derived from natural ingredients. I've really only tried their lip products. I've tried their lip balms, but I got introduced to them, like I said, through the $3 section, and I am loving it. So this is one that they say matte, but I don't want you to think it is one of those lipsticks that will dry your lips out. It is a creamy formula. It just has a matte finish. And let me just show you the bullet again. And these are full bullets, like it's their $20 lipstick on their website. And this is the gorgeous color here. So this is one that I'm so excited that I will be putting this in my bin for, you know, future giveaways, because this is an absolute win. The next item that was in here is from GOLDFADENMD, and this is another brand that I have shared with you that I've also purchased, as well as made it my choice items when it was in the plus, because this is a high-end brand. It is ingredient driven, and you will see results from this product. When you get to try sample sizes of skincare, and the reason I always suggest that to spend that $3 or get these bags to try these sample sizes, is it's not like you will see results from skincare. Skincare takes time. It takes a month to 6 weeks if you use it religiously day and night and exactly how they ask you to use the products. But what I find with these sample sizes, first of all, I'm able to try a lot more products, but I'm also able to see if I'll break out from it, if there's a scent that I don't enjoy, or if, like I said, my skin has a reaction, if it causes redness or anything like that, or if it doesn't absorb as quickly as I want. You get to know a lot through the skincare. But this, I'm telling you, you will get a lot of use out of, because you need very little, because it's very concentrated as well. This is their Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. This is the deluxe sample size. It's a 10 ml. It's a face serum. It's saying it's packed with antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid is a ultra concentrated serum that gives your skin exactly what is needed. It's nourishing, protection, as well as hydration. It says you can use this morning and night, apply 1 to 2 drops on a clean skin following with your moisturizer. It's also natural and vegan, as well as cruelty free. And they're saying about the brand, they're saying it is founded by a doctor. His name is Dr. Gary GOLDFADEN. He is a dermatologist for over 40 years. These are physician strength products that are innovative, result driven, and great for those with sensitive skin. And I agree with everything about it. So that I'm really excited about. This one, if I wasn't getting it in my bag, this was going to be an add-on, because this is a new one to me, and I'm excited because it is the cutest packaging ever. It is from this brand called Peak Beauty. This says I Will Stay. It's a natural long wearing eyeshadow, and it's called Wednesday. This is a deluxe sample. It's an eyeshadow. This powder eyeshadow has a soft velvety texture that you'll love, thanks to the blend of nourishing plant extracts like sunflower seed oil and coffee oil. They're saying sweep it on your lids using your favorite eyeshadow brush. It's also vegan and cruelty free and made with all natural ingredients. Now, about the brand Peak Beauty, they're saying the products are expertly curated and dedicated to enhancing natural beauty rather than just covering up our imperfections, which that was why I started with makeup. It was definitely to cover up any imperfections. So this one here opens up with a slide. I did this earlier when I went to take the picture, and now I can't. Oh, there we go. It's a slide, and it opens up this way here. Is this not the cutest thing? So it has a tin on the outside and a little slide on the inside here. And the color on this is so pretty. It is that gorgeous, gorgeous purpley metallic. This is definitely a shade that you can wear on its own. And it is so, so pretty. So I cannot wait to play with this. And that is what that color looks like there. Is that not gorgeous? This is also one that you can use like in the center of an eye if you're doing a dark, you know, purple eye and you need that pop of color. That will give that to you as well. So, so pretty. Really excited about that. And then the next item that is in here is from this brand called Elizabeth Mott. And I had the opportunity to try a couple of her products, and I really did enjoy them. And this is from her Thank Me Later. And this one is for your hair. I have only tried her products that were for her face, and it was also called Thank Me Later, but this is her hair primer. And they're saying this is a deluxe sample. It is a frizz control smoothing. And they're saying no one multitask like this. They're saying it is a 5-in-1 leave-in treatment, and I love my leave-in treatments. This is on freshly washed hair before styling to help protect from your heat damage and breakage, and it will also hydrate, polish, smooth, and help repair your hair too. It says, work through your damp or wet hair from mid-length to end, do not rinse, and then style as desired. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. And about the brand, they're saying it's sourced from innovative Korean factories. Elizabeth Mott is all about treating you to high-performing skincare and cosmetics that can keep up with your busy schedule. So this is what this looks like here. And on the back, it just has all of the, everything that it doesn't have. Like it's talc-free, vegan, sulfate-free, all of that is on the back. So let's just open this up. I'm sure there's a safety seal. There is. So let me just see if I can roll it back so we could just see what the scent on this is. Because when it comes to hair products, I like when there is a scent, and it is a beautiful scent. So that is what the product looks like there. It is a very fresh scent, more fruity than, I would say, more fruity than fragrant. So that is really a refreshing scent, which to me is like, it smells like spring to me. That is really, really nice. So really excited about that. Is that not a fantastic bag? I'm telling you, to get 2 full-size products that are of the value of close to $40 and then introducing me to all these other products, I think it's an absolute winner, plus the bag. So we have the bag, we have this full-size dual pencil from Complex Culture, we have this gorgeous full-size lipstick from Contact Skin, we have the sample size from GOLDFADENMD, the serum, as well as a hair product, as well as a new brand to me called Peak, which I think is the greatest name for a package that's like a peekaboo type of package. The stunning colors that are in this bag, I think, are over the moon. Don't forget to make sure that you're subscribed and to hit that bell so that you can look and see. Hopefully tomorrow I will have this up, because this is what I was waiting for. This add-on, like I said, is still available in the sale that's going on right now, the flash sale. And I think just based on the picture that I took, because I open up everything prior to for Instagram, I'm over the moon to get my hands into this. So later today, I will be sitting down to have to do some other things, but I will do my best to get this filmed tonight, so I will be able to get it up for you tomorrow. All right. And that's it for today, guys. So once again, as always, it is so important that during this time that everybody please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.